In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam for brainstorming. FigJam is a collaborative whiteboard that makes it easy to gather ideas, organize them, and move quickly as a team. To get started, open your FigJam board in your browser or desktop app. If you're working with others, invite them so you can collaborate in real time. Take a second to zoom out to see your whole canvas and pan around to find a clear area. This gives you space to work without distractions. Let's begin by adding some personality and visual cues with stickers. Open the sticker tool from the toolbar and browse the available sets. Drag a sticker onto the canvas to highlight a theme, mark priorities, or label sections of your brainstorm. You can resize or rotate them so they stand out just the way you want. Next, use shapes to structure your thinking. Choose from basic shapes like rectangles, circles, or arrows. Shapes are great for grouping related ideas, drawing simple diagrams, or creating callouts. Place a few shapes, give them distinct colors, and use them as containers to collect ideas as they come in. If you need flow, connect shapes with arrows to show relationships or sequence. Text is the backbone of any brainstorm. Select the text tool, click anywhere on the canvas, and start typing. Use concise headings to define topics and add supporting points beneath them. You can adjust font size, weight, and color to indicate importance and keep things readable. If the canvas gets busy, keep a consistent style so your team can scan quickly. For quick feedback and alignment, use stamps. Grab the stamp tool to mark items with a check, star, or other simple symbols. Stamps are perfect for fast votes or signals like ready, needs work, or must have without interrupting the flow of discussion. Emojis are another lightweight way to react in the moment. Drop a thumbs up, a light bulb, or a celebration emoji to acknowledge ideas and keep energy high. They're informal but effective for gauging sentiment at a glance. If you want a head start, open the Templates panel and pick a brainstorming layout that fits your session. Templates provide ready-made structures like idea clusters or prioritization grids, so you can spend less time setting up and more time thinking. Place a template on the canvas, rename headers to match your topic, and start filling it in. As you work, combine these tools, add text inside shapes, use stickers as labels, and finish with stamps and emojis to align quickly. That's all you need to run a clear, engaging brainstorm in FigJam.